Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you how I prepare my distilled water at home, and I will also be telling you some of the uses of distilled water. To prepare distilled water, you need a large pot, a transparent lid that is higher in the middle than around the edges, a stainless steel steamer tray, which is optional, a heat-resistant glass bowl, or a small stainless steel pot, 2 liters of water, and a clean and sterilized glass bottle or a glass jar. I start by placing the pot on the stove. Then I put my steamer tray in the pot, placing it upside down. Pour in about 1.5 liters of water into the pot. I will add in the remaining half liter after about 1 hour of cooking. I now place my heat-resistant glass bowl on top of the steam tray. Then I place the lid upside down on the large pot. Placing the lid upside down will help to direct our condensed water to flow directly into the bowl. I now turn the stove on to medium heat. If you do not have a steam tray, you can place a small stainless steel pot inside the large pot. But please make sure the small pot is floating in water. The small pot should not touch the bottom of the bigger pot. The water in the bigger pot should not get into the smaller pot. Once the water starts boiling, reduce your heat and set it between medium and low. You will also notice that the condensed water is dripping into the bowl. And this condensed water in the bowl is your distilled water. If you notice that the condensed water in the bowl is also boiling, please reduce the heat. You can only see this if your lid is transparent. If you want the process to be a bit faster, you can place ice cubes on the lid of the pot, which is also another reason to turn the lid upside down. You can put more ice cubes if you wish. I put this little because this is all I had in the freezer. The difference in temperature on both sides of the lid will speed up the condensation process. When the ice cubes are completely melted and the water on the lid is hot, use a cup and remove the water, then put another set of ice cubes on the lid. If you cannot get ice cubes, you can also pour a cup of cold water on the lid. The disadvantage of using cold water instead of ice cubes is that you have to change the water about every 10 minutes because the water will quickly get hot. Then you pour another set of cold water on the lid. After boiling 2 liters of water on medium and low heat for almost 2 hours, I can see that my heat-resistant bowl is almost full. I will now turn the stove off. Take the pot off the stove and keep it aside to cool down a bit. After it has cooled down, remove the lid from the pot. The water that dripped into the heat-resistant bowl is distilled water. I remove the bowl with my distilled water in it out of the pot. I will now pour the water into a measuring cup to see how much I could collect. As you can see, I was able to collect about 1/4 of a liter of distilled water. I will now pour my distilled water into my glass jar. Seal the jar and store in room temperature. This water should not be used for drinking because it has no minerals and no nutrients in it. Distilled water can be used for preparing shower gels, body lotions, hair and body gels, and soaps. You can use it to wash your hair with. You can also use it when canning fruits and vegetables. It is also great to use for air humidifiers and also for ironing dresses. Some people even use it to prepare homemade beer. If you have any ideas what one can use distilled water for, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do give the video a like, leave a comment, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for your support. Bye bye and have a wonderful day.